5. Magandang gabi din po muli sa ating panel of judges at sa lahat po ng ating mga AAC representative. Kami po from the Community Judge Statistics Office, let's play the 90X Small Town Lottery Window.
Ba, kulang sa judge.
12 now. Okay, your first winning number is the number 40 or 0. So, babalik po muli natin ang bola na pili para lang po sa ating pangalawang.
Boy silip. Yung 5. 14. 4. Kompiang.
Our second winning number is another 40. So once again, recapping our 90X Mortal Lottery winning combination, we have the number 40 and 40. So congratulations po sa lahat ng winners natin. Pabibirmahan po natin sa ating panel of judges ang ating official drawing.